Good afternoon, students. I am Mir Shorkar, Assistant Professor of Shiliguri Torai B.Ed College and Shiliguri Primary Teachers Training College. Today, I will discuss DLED Part 1 English. Unit 1. Position of English in India. English is generally considered to be a second language, that is L2 in India. So English is treated as ESL, English as second language, in India or Nigeria, but not in Japan or China. In Japan or China, EFL, English, is treated as EFL, foreign language. Now, what is foreign language? The term foreign language is popularly used to refer any language that is not a native language in a country. The word second language is also commonly used in this way, but many linguists distinguish between foreign language and second language, recognizing major differences in the learning, objective, teaching methods, and achievement level. Next, what is foreign language? A foreign language in this restricted sense in a non-native language taught in schools, but that has no official status as a routine medium in the communication in the classroom as well as in the country. Next, I will discuss second language. A second language is a non-native language that is widely used for communication, usually a medium of instruction in educational field, in administration, of government and business. Next, I will discuss position of English in pre-independence India. English was a symbol of power, prestige, status, as it was the language of the rulers. English was the medium of instruction in schools, colleges, and universities. After 1930, due to national education movement, English was no longer a sole medium of instructions in schools. English helped educated Indians or elite groups to secure jobs, especially government jobs. English enjoyed privilege of being vehicle of Western thoughts and ideas. Now we move on the position of English in independent in India. In independent India, English enjoyed the important position of being a linked language, a library language, a world language, global language to foster international brotherhood, mother tongue for a limited number of Indians and Anglo-Indians, a computer-friendly language that helps to have easy to access internet, a language rich literature and cultural history, a language which has been Indianized in different states in India, that is Tamil English, Bengali English, Punjabi English, etc. An associate officials language. It is included as one of the 22 national languages listed in the Constitution, a language of trade and commerce, a language for communication in a globalized economy. This much for today. In my next class, I will discuss aims and objective of teaching English. Thank you.